In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard in Jitsi Meet. So first, you want to click on those three dots here at the bottom right to show more actions, and then you want to click on Show Whiteboard. This will enable your whiteboard, and to use it over here, you have a bunch of different options. You could either go and click on this button up here to actually save it if you want to whenever you've drawn it, and here you can create it, okay? So we have like a bunch of different things here. This will create, as you can see, like rectangles. You can change your background colors. You can change, of course, the strokes, the stroke widths, etc. And then you have the actions, which are duplicate and delete, just like this. Of course, you could go and resize things in here as well. You could go ahead and spin them around and rotate them if you wanna, but of course you could also use like common keyboard shortcuts like Control C and Control V to copy and paste, delete to delete, Control Z to undo, etc. Okay, then you have like different shapes. You have diamonds up here, you have ellipses and circles, you have arrows, you have lines, and you also have the ability to freely draw across your canvas. Okay, then last but not least, you have text. You could go ahead and again select your color. You could select your font size, and then you can just type in whatever you want, like for example, hello there. And as you can see, those are essentially all the things. Now if you want to delete stuff, you could go ahead and just like highlight it like this. You could go and even like right click, and you can basically copy styles, paste styles. You could duplicate them, you could log them, you could copy them, etc. And of course down here at the bottom you have this eraser, so if you click on it, you'll be able to erase certain items from your whiteboard that you have drawn, just like that. Then you have these two buttons, which is basically undo and redo, and then of course you have the zoom as well. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can also use this, or basically just use the control button on your keyboard plus your scrolling on your mouse wheel. Okay, so that's it. If you're happy with a drawing or your whiteboard, you could also save it, as I showed you earlier, by clicking on this button top left, and then you can save it as a PNG or SVG file onto your computer locally. That's essentially how to use Whiteboard. It's very easy and self-explanatory. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.